I was gonna take off and see the stars, and obviously it didn't happen that way.
You still got the dream. What do you hope could happen off the back of this?
Oh my God, I hope what can happen is that I'm finally able to be who I am and present myself and my music to the world.
Well, listen, Johnny, I really hope this works out for you.
Thank you, I do too.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Okay.
Share my life, take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you won't follow. I won't hold it back again. This passion inside, I can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Your love I remember forever.
Oh my God.
Well, don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms. If you dare, I must stay imagining you there. Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms. If you dare, I must stay imagining you there. Don't walk away from me. Don't walk away from me. Don't you dare walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. If I don't have you.
Wow.
If I don't have you.
Mel, let me go to you first.
Oh my gosh, you are so powerful. And man, and I know you've had a journey to get here, but thank you, thank you, thank you for showing up.
Thank you so much.
Howie?
Wow, I was not expecting that. The fact that you're finally doing what speaks to you is so wonderful, and this is a jaw-dropping moment on America's Got Talent.
Thank you, Howie.
Yeah.
That means so much to me. Thank you.
Heidi?
Gosh, this is not what it sounds like when I sing that song in the shower. You are incredible.
Thank you so
That was
much,
so
Heidi. I
good.
appreciate that.
I love the fact that little shy Johnny's really a diva.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And I want to see a bit more of that.
Okay.
Yeah, but what's great about you is you are somebody who can nail and sell a song.
Thank you. It means a lot.
Now we are going to have to vote. Let me start with Howie.
You're not going to be surprised by my answer. It's a yes for me.
Mel.
I loved it. Yes.
Heidi.
Of course you're going to get another yes from me. Yes.
Thank you, Heidi.
Okay, Johnny Manuel, you are going through with 4 yeses.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
He was incredible.
Yes.